Welcome to break 5308 for the 2021 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, August 22nd, 2021. It's 10:27 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:27 p.m. Central Time, and 7:27 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Sarah 1, Spot, Watt 1, Trading 1, CBD Cards 2, Peterson 1, Detour 2, Watt 1, Purple 1, Laddie Cards 3, Jose 1, Lynn 1, Ant 2, Peterson 2, Daily 1, ER 1, Kel 1, 2, 2, LI 2, Jaw 3, Strike 2, and Just 1 Spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times, determine our team or teams to break. Sarah on top, Just on the bottom once, twice. We are randomizing a total of 7 times. 5, 6, and lucky number 7. CBD card, you're on top, Sarah's on the bottom. So CBD cards, you have the Cardinals, Jaw Falcons, Purple Ravens, Peterson Bills, Just Panthers, Strike Bears, LI Bengals, 2 Browns, Watt Cowboys Broncos, 2 Lions, ER Packers, Ant Texans, Jaw Colts, Laddie Cards Jaguars, Strike Chiefs, Peterson Raiders, Laddie Cards Chargers, Ant Rams, Daily Dolphins, Lynn Vikings, CBD cards Patriots, Jaw Saints, Jose with the Giants, Laddie Cards Jets, Detour Eagles, LI with the Steelers, Kel with the 49ers, Peterson Seahawks, Detour Buccaneers, Trading Company Titans, and last but not least, Sarah with Washington. Okay, let's see what we have here. We're all sealed up. Whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. Sealed on top and bottom. Empty. And we have a rookie auto of A.J. Brown and the Tennessee Titans. Rookie auto Titans 4 out of 35 for A.J. Brown. Very nice. A.J. Brown. Rookie auto is going to... Who has the Titans? JNL Trading Company, congrats. And that was 5308 for the 2021 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet. And up next is 5365 for the 2021 Topps Clearly Authentic autograph baseball card box. Thanks.